So I know you're probably wondering what is this circuit that's below here. So the circuit was intended to test this common anode display to see if it's working well, because I saw that we need another display right here to count tens of seconds. Right now we have a display showing seconds. We need another one to show tens of seconds right here. Combining them both will help us to see seconds being counted from 0 all the way to 59, and once they surpass this value, they drive this one to the next bit, which is the minute display. So this display shows minutes, so we need another one right here to show tens of seconds. Right now we are seeing the tens of seconds using LEDs, but we need a display. Just like we are using display to show seconds, we need another one to show tens of seconds, then the minute. Yes. So after testing it out, you can see what is displaying is just random things, because 9, there's no minute, there's no minute that you can get a 90 something second. So you can see even it displaying random things. The problem with this is because a common anode requires its own driver. Well, I have the driver 4511. 4511 is the driver, and it also requires its own BCD decoder, 4-bit binary, 4-bit binary, so 4029. See, this is the preferred one. Yes, so right here I didn't have the BCD decoder, so I made one using OR gates, and I had the 4511. But since I don't have the BCD decoder itself, it just outputted random values. The display itself is working well, but the problem is that it requires the BCD decoder to give instruction to the CD4511 in order for it to drive the display. But since I don't have this, and I made one using the OR gates, it had some little bit of errors, and that's why you can see there's some random things which are not even numbers or letters. And I thought the problem was the IC itself, so I used another one because I have two for the 4511, and it still did the same thing. And the other option was to use a ULN 2003. So these are ULN 2003. ULN 2003 contains a Darlington transistor. So this one is used to sink current rather than sourcing it. It sinks current to ground, which is what we need. And doing that also did not help at all. So the last option is to make your own driver to drive the to drive the common anode, which is not an easy task, because I calculated and I saw that creating your own driver just to drive the display to count from 0 to 5 will require a total of 25 logic gates. So 25 logic gates are quite a lot. It will just fill a lot of breadboard just to drive a single display. So checking out all those things, I just saw and I decided that I will wait until I buy a common cathode. You can see common cathode very nice, doesn't have a lot of things. So the common cathode, once you give it the clock signal and you have the driver itself, it just flows. So that's what we need, and that's what we are going to add. So rather than using a common anode, I'll just buy a common cathode with its driver, and we are going to put it right here to count the tens of seconds. Then this one counts minutes. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to explain and to tell you guys. Yes, so yeah, so thank you very much guys for watching. Please subscribe to Tronic Energy and hope to see you next time. Goodbye.